Hi everybody and welcome to this exciting new section, section number 5, real-world features, addition to the API. So the first video is about some consideration regarding the following feature. Now let's open our code editor and let's review what we have done so far. Basically, we have some routes. The first one is about the auth, which enables us to sign up and login users, and also the me route, which gets the user from the JWT. And then we also have some posts. Now we want to be able to merge those two things. Because if we think about Instagram, you can only see posts from people that you are following. So we have to add a feature in which a single user can follow multiple other users. And to do that, we will take a look at how to modify our user model and add a new field into the schema. And also, we have to modify something into our post controller, which means that now when we search for the index, we will not get all the posts, but we will get only the one that are from us or somebody that we follow. Also, the same thing about show. We will only see and be able to see posts from people that we are following or our own posts. So the last one, the store, update, and delete will function just the same, so we will not change that. And the last thing that we also need to do is to create a new route in which we will be able to follow a user. So that's it for now. These are the small considerations that we have to keep in mind to create this functionality.